Hey guys, it's Climb's Adventures, and today we're going to be doing the nature run. So, it's where you go and spot some nature. Like for example, this. These leaves and this grass is nature. So, you say what you see that's in nature. I see a tree. Like that. So let's get started on the walk. Oh, I see grass. Ooh, here is a bush. I see a bush. Ooh, here's some more leaves. I see bushes and leaves. Oh, I see a very interesting nature. Look in here. They're dandelions. Right now, they're almost ready to bloom into flowers. That's very interesting. Hey, look at this. It's a tree. I see a tree. Ooh, I see another bush. Yeah. Ooh, and look what's over here. Some more leaves. Hey, look what I see now. There's some rocks. Cool. Rocks. Look what I see now. It's taller grass that we've seen before. Ooh, I don't see any nature so far. Oh, look what's up ahead. Do you see it? It's a pine tree. There they are. Woo! Oh, look what I see now. It's a road. Remember to look both ways. Huh? It's clear. There, we crossed the street, and now the pine trees are up close. Look right here. This one's right near me. I could climb the tree, because my name's Climb. Whoa! This nature run is fun! Oh! Oh! That's a fun house. Yeah, I like it. Ooh. There's a lot of nature over here. I see lots of trees and lots of grass.
You want to walk down here and look out and then come back?
Okay, look both ways. It's clear. Oh, now we're on a driveway. This is pretty cool. Look over there. Here's the valley. Wow, look over there. That's the valley. Ooh, and here's the river. Now we're going to turn around back home. See you guys then.